Earth, home to billions. The place where we live, love, laugh, and discover. Yet there are not enough thank yous nor apologies said. Earth faces enormous stress from our unsustainable decisions, and it's facing the most significant threats of all time. What if we can change all that? This is the most prominent low-energy building in East Europe and one of the world's largest. This is the home of Creatopy. Zero-waste buildings are becoming popular. We could all have our part in the plan of preserving the Earth. It is a revolutionary way of thinking of our future as part of Mother Nature. We aim to inspire other companies to take responsibility into their hands, to shape a decision that will design our future together. We believe in sustainability. Do you? Creatopy.com. Restore our Earth. Earth Day 2021.